Hi everyone, thank you for staying tuned. As I said, my name is Sarah and I'm showing you this 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe. It is the Z71 LT package. It's going to have a lot of options for you in a large size SUV. Coming onto the side, you're going to see a beautiful black coloring. It's black on black on black, including these mud tires here. You got the rails here at the bottom to step in if you're vertically challenged like myself. You're going to see the crossbars and rails up at the top with this deep tinted glass, and like I said, it is the Z71. Coming here into the second row, you're going to see it has two captain chairs and giving you full access to the third row in the back there. You can use the third row for obviously passengers, or if you need some cargo space, you can lay it all down, so you have that versatility for this vehicle. It has a power tailgate. It's going to lift and it's going to show you a little bit more in the back. So like I said, you have that full cargo capability, as well as it's actually powered seats here. So this is just going to go down, and you can also lift them back up, which is really nice. And you also have access to the buttons here for the second row to put down, and you can stop it obviously. So just 1, 2, and that should flip down. There you go. This unit also has storage right here underneath, and the full size spare tire is just going to be underneath the car itself, giving you a lot more room for cargo area and storage. Again, power tailgate. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you some interior features. Hi everyone, thanks for staying tuned. As I said, my name is Sarah and I'm inside this 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe. Coming into the interior here, you're going to see the seats are all this beautiful black leather. If you have any kids or animals like that, you're going to have easy cleanup for this kind of interior. Coming here to your second row, you are going to have the heated seats for here. They have their own control in the climate, as well as full plug-ins, USBs. And this unit is equipped with a DVD player. Has a remote that comes out that your kids or other passengers can control it, as well as headphones. It also has this beautiful sunroof. Coming here into the top console, you're going to see, like I said, obviously you can open the full sunroof, getting the full extent of the elements on the outside here. This button right here actually controls the degree of the tailgate that you want, so you can have it fully open, or if you're maybe in a little bit of tighter space, you can do it 3/4 of a way, just giving you, still opening the door but making it less in height. Following down, you're going to see this beautiful sleek design in the console here. You have heated seats for your driver and passenger. Again, full leather. You have digital displays here for your temperature, as well as dual climate. This unit does have Apple CarPlay, Google Android, so it has a smartphone projection on your screen, which is touchscreen. Bluetooth, Sirius XM radio. You do have access to the My Chevrolet app, which you do have to sign up for. Navigation, you'll get your text messages, all that on your screen, making it a truly hands-free, easy vehicle to deal with. Again, lots of different storage here. You obviously have your dual USB plugins, your 12 volt here. This glove box center console is super deep. It also comes with a light, which is convenient. You have a lockable glove box over here. Again, this vehicle has so much storage. Like in the doors, it has cup holders everywhere. It has storage right here. You are going to be well covered in this vehicle. Coming onto the key here, as you can see, it is a push button start as well. So foot on the brake, you can just start and stop it there. You obviously have your power locks. You have your remote start. And as well, when you hit these twice, that will open up the tailgate. So this is that kind of 3/4 way, and that's all the way full. So you just need to have this on your person. You don't need to actually insert it anywhere. So whether that be in a pocket, bag, purse, anything like that. Coming onto the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control right here with the forward collision. It also has a heated steering wheel, which is really nice in our Alberta climates. This right here is going to change your instrument cluster, as well as control the volumes, picking up with your Bluetooth. When I say this thing has automatic everything, pretty much it does. You have an automatic powered wheel right here, which you can set your settings to. So if you have multiple drivers, you can have one setting, and it'll change all the mirrors and seating how you like, and another person comes in and hits their setting, and it changes for them as well. You got power mirrors on the side, all power windows, of course. You have automatic lights just as long as it's on the auto, and as well as automatic 4x4, which is really good. As you can see here, it also has the trailer brake control, and this unit does come with a backup camera. One owner, no accidents, super low kilometers. It only has about 20,000 kilometers, so you're still going to have lots of life left in its factory warranty, as well as powertrain. If you want to know more about this vehicle, or come on down to see us at St. Albert Dodge, give us a shout, 780-458-8660.